Alright, over here on the Audio Dynamics website, on the DSP page, and I have this DSP, the ADD SP46AT Auto-Tune DSP, and one of the things you can get for it is this guy. You can also get this guy. We'll talk about this later. But this guy has the bass knob, volume knob, little connection box, another cable that goes to DSP, all the stuff. And this guy here. This is what we're going to put in today. So you get all that except the DSP. The DSP is not included. You got to buy that separately, obviously. You can see how that connects. So we're going to put that sucker in Chevy Tahoe. Let's get her done. Oh, the destruction. As I dig, I have found the thing that I am looking for. This was not it. It's going to be there. Ha! Now the murder is complete. So what we're going for are these blanks back here and behind. I ain't sure which one yet, but these are the spaces that we're going to be using as those blanks. Under there. One of those blanks. So we have made more destruction. Oh, the mayhem and destruction. By now you guys are saying, "For why are you disassembled?" To which I reply, omelets. Alright, we have this wire in there now. Up in there. That's where it belongs. This thing is going to connect to that wire. And then there's the other part we're about to do now. This thing needs more holes in it. There's not nearly enough holes in this. So, yes. Okay, there are holes. And we have knobs. Yeah, baby. Alright guys, it's dark outside, but I think it turned out really good. And this one controls the volume and that one is the subwoofer. So they're just right up above my hand, nice and easy to reach. I looked at putting them down here, but there'd be an issue with it, the thing. The plastic behind the plastic and all this was just not going to happen. And so after looking it over, I decided on this area. Once I looked up there and saw it, I was like, yep, that's where we're going. Okay, this guy, the aptX HD, works with the auto-tuning DSPs. There's two of them. There's a 4-channel in, 6 out, and a 6 in, 8 out. Anyway, this is a high-resolution dongle. So you plug this into the DSP and you can stream at 192 kilohertz, 24-bit from your Android device. So you get a really hot signal, as well as Android and Apple connection and all that stuff. So it's good times all around. And I got one of these. So yeah, there is that.